You know that in just over 24 hours from the time I'm recording this video, it is going to be perfectly legal for you to make your very own cartoons and stories all about Mickey Mouse. If that sounds interesting, I think you're really going to love my brand new product, which I just came out with, but I'm not going to sell it to you. I'm going to give it to you for free. It's all about Mickey Mouse and how to profit from Mickey Mouse, from Winnie the Pooh, from Tarzan, from all kind of major uh, literary characters that you can actually make serious money off of, and it's perfectly legal to do it. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of custom GPT protection. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Ham. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can blog successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, you would know by now that I'm going to tell you the same stale, boring jokes day in and day out. I know. New year, new stuff, right? Well, it's technically not the new year yet. It's December 30th as I'm recording this video. So therefore, I can still tell the old jokes, right? Okay, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very simple. Let's make sure that you don't have buying much of crap.
What a load of crap.
Okay, look, dude, seriously, dude. Nobody wants crap. Nobody. Not you, not me, not these people. Give it a rest, okay? New year, new resolutions. Next year, let's cut with the crap, okay? Seriously. It's so annoying. Really annoying. Yeah, seriously, you are new. The way things work here. If I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on mindset and
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
entrepreneurship. Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. They say Liz, she truly is a sweetheart. I love this lady. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Yeah, do this kind of stuff. Okay. Hit the bell icon. Yeah, okay, whatever. You know what? Forget about that. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, looking at the sales page for custom GPT protection. Now, this is from my friend Barb Ling. Now, Barb is really big on custom GPTs. She actually wrote the very first guide to ChatGPT a little over a year ago, ended up being a huge success story. But now there's a brand new system called GPTs. What does that mean? It basically means these are custom-made scripts built on top of ChatGPT, which you can actually sell and make money off of. And there are already thousands upon thousands of these available, but there is a catch. They kind of work a little bit like HTML. Now, if you're not familiar, HTML is the language that is used for building websites. Now, there's a dirty little secret about HTML. Anybody can see anybody else's HTML. You can go onto my website and simply click view source, and you'll be able to see all the text programming my entire website. So, and that means that you can actually make a copy of my website or something similar to it. Obviously, there's still copyright laws involved, but you can copy something similar to it. So what Barb has actually put together is a way of protecting your custom GPTs so that people aren't going to be able to copy them, because there are thousands of them right now that you can go out and copy yourself because nobody's stopping you from doing it, because the commands that make it work are there for the taking. But Barb is going to show you exactly how to protect against that. Now, I do have my own custom modes because there's another thing that's just about to happen. You see, GPTs are about to explode in the new year. Nothing is happening in the new year. And I'm going to tell you about this, but you really need to get my custom bonus. So this is not even a bonus. It's really a new product I just put together. Mickey Mouse, the famous Mickey Mouse, from Disney, is going to become public domain as of January 1st, 2024. That means that you can legally draw Mickey Mouse and use his image in your own stuff. You can legally create stories about Mickey Mouse. You can legally create cartoons. You can create T-shirts, wherever you want. There's all kinds of ways to monetize this and make a ton of money off of Mickey Mouse, and it's perfectly legal. Disney cannot say a word about it. But there is a small catch. You have to know how to do it so that it is legal. As a matter of fact, not only is it legal to create content with featuring Mickey Mouse, yes, the Mickey Mouse, it is also legal to create content with Tarzan. It is perfectly legal to create content with Winnie the Pooh. But again, you got to know the details of it. And I put together a brand new book, not just a little report that's like, a few hundred words. I'm talking about a brand new book where I detail very, very specifically exactly what you need to know, why these things are now legal to do, what the legal pitfalls are, because you cannot just go and say, okay, well, I'm going to make my own Disney channel. No, you can't just make your own Disney channel. Okay, there are legal things that you do need to do in order to be able to do this, but it is a very, very powerful thing you can do to make money and to start building things up. Now, speaking of making money, by the way, I made a point of the longest chapter in my new book is all about how to make money off of all this. And I included very specific ideas for how to make money off of this content, like Winnie the Pooh, like Mickey Mouse, like Tarzan, and all these other things that are out there that are now public domain. You can actually make money off of these things. I included details of exactly how to do it. I included case studies showing you exactly what to do so you can start making serious money off of this thing. And that is probably the biggest chapter in the entire book. The entire book runs about 40 pages long. Now, here's the real kicker. So Barb is offering you two different options here. Option number one is currently about $12 or so for personal use rights to this new course. Okay, so it's $12.53 as I'm recording this video. It is a dime sale, so the price is going to keep going up as people buy more copies. They're also offering full private label rights, which means that you can actually sell this book as your own. So I'm doing the same thing with my own brand new book. My brand new book, which I just finished writing, you're going to get personal use rights if you pick it up for $12.53. But if you pick up the full PLR version of Barb's course, you get PLR rights to my own brand new book. Plus, as an added bonus, I've actually put together 3 different mock-ups of the book with covers, professionally designed covers, that you can actually go ahead and use in order to sell this book as your own. Okay, you have the right to then put your own name on it, sell it, give it away, do whatever you want with it. But of course, I do know that you may not necessarily want to use my particular name on the book. So one of my other bonuses is going to be my custom guide showing you exactly how to go ahead and change the text on any image that you have. So for example, the book cover was generated using AI. But of course, as is typical with AI, the AI generated gibberish text, which wasn't useful to me. I needed something that was actually a quality image with quality text on it. So what did I do? I used this secret new system that I found and actually went and corrected the text perfectly in order to create that. So that's bonus number 2. But I'm not done yet because I do want you to really, really be able to make money from all these things. So bonus number 3 here. Okay, number 3, I'm also going to give you my brand new guide on how to use a new AI system I found to create custom checklists. And you can go ahead and use these to sell on Warrior Plus, on JVZoo, all these places. You can actually sell these checklists. Believe it or not, people actually make a ton of money off these checklists. Kevin Feige, for example, famous for making his checklists, and you can now make your own checklists and sell them to people, or just use them as your own bonuses. Any topic you want, you can go ahead and sell these checklists. But if you pick up the PLR version of this product, I'm also going to give you my custom guide to 100 topics that you can actually make checklists on, so you can get a head start on making money off of this thing. Again, there's two different versions of my bonus because there's two different versions of this course. So the basic course, you're still going to get the checklist thing. You're still going to get my guide to using this new AI to correct images, to change the text, whatever you want. But if you pick up the private label rights version, you're also going to get my mockups, all of my mockups that are going to be included with the package. Plus, you're also going to be getting all of my my list of over 100 ideas for custom checklists that you can sell. But I'm not done yet. Still not done yet. In addition to that, beyond those two things, I also have a brand new way of generating leads that I've just found, which allows you to generate leads by automatically searching social media for specific topics and then replying to those things automatically. It's a really cool new system that will do all the work for you automatically. You tell it what keywords you're looking for, and you start replying to it, and you can actually start generating leads using this new system in order to be able to make money off of that. So you're going to get all four of those bonuses. Now, all four of those bonuses you will get regardless of which version you pick up. But if you pick up the PLR version instead of the standard version, in addition to all four bonuses, of course, you are going to get PLR rights and the full, all three different mock-ups of my brand new book, which, by the way, is going to be a product launch of its own because it is not the typical, 2 or 3 pages long. This is a full-fledged book with case studies, with information, with everything you need in order to be able to monetize this new opportunity. So you're going to get that book, plus you're going to get PLR rights if you pick up the PLR to this course. And if you pick the PLR to this course, you're also going to get my custom list of over 100 ideas for checklists, which you can go ahead and turn around and start selling and making money off of. And of course, when you pick up PLR, you get PLR to all of my courses as well. So let's check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here, it is a basic book. It's an ebook that Bob created. You can see that they go into great detail, explain to you exactly what GPTs are and how to protect them. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, obviously. It's why you see what it looks like. And again, you are going to get either private rights or full private label rights, depending on which version you pick up. So let's see if I can formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, you demand. This is really, really important stuff because if you want to make money off of GPTs, then you need to protect them so that you're not going to go ahead and just hand your hard work over to somebody else. You want to make money off of it and keep it for yourself, then grab this thing. This is worth it. You're going to love it.